Can we open first the selfies?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Can you,
Okay.
Mommy, can you cut it open?
Yeah.
Can you cut it open, please? Please, Mommy. I just want to.
Go.
Hi. Go. Oh, done. I know what I'm doing, Mommy. Take up this and
You pick here what's inside.
it's not a diamond.
It's a
Mommy.
diamond.
Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
This is a review, guys. Oh my god! Hindi duplicate! Hindi duplicate.
Where's... Ano yung... Ano niya, anak?
Here.
Let's see.
Mommy!
Who is she?
Yung hair wash niya.
Ooh! It's... the two-tone ponytail. Her name is Crystal.
Oh,
Yes.
and my other doll named Crystal.
Yeah.
I got two Crystal dolls. Now I'm gonna open it. Oh.
She got a...
Green hairbrush. Oh my.
And
And a stand.
and the stand. Okay, let's see. Let's see her, ano? Hairbrush.
It's a green one. It's a green one. I never had
Does it has a candy?
Yep. It's a lollipop, guys.
It's a lollipop?
Yep.
Okay.
And it has hearts.
Whoa.
Hindi duplicate.
Yes, she's so pretty.
Hala duplicate.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
Okay.
the point.
Let's open this doll.
This is a doll. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Mommy, guys, look, she has a red light and she has shoes. I think it says a result. I love it so much. And she has
A green hair.
a green hair and it has pink hair too.
Yeah.
And let's see another hairdo.
Yes. What Hairdooz?
Labos. Alam mo yung additions ulit.
Okay.
Hala to duplicate.
This one.
This one. Dalawa to.
Yeah.
And I'm super big, Mommy.
Yes.
Let's open them right now.
Okay.
Let's open them right now. Okay.
Let's cut this first.
Let's cut this
Okay.
open. Wait, Mommy, I know how to open now.
Okay.
I know how to open this up. Oh.
It's really hard to open. We need the scissor.
Maya really not. Let's open it, guys. I'm supposed to not.
We'll hold this.
Wait. Well, I didn't get it so far. I didn't get it so far, guys. I didn't get it so far. Oh man. Oh, I got it. My mommy opened it. So my mom had to open this.
Yes.
And madali itong isang open. So, oh my God, guys! Oh my gosh, Mama! Look inside, Mommy. Oh my
We
gosh.
got to cut it.
This is our sauce. Oh no.
Wait.
Hey guys, are you ready? This. I know this already.
Oh my god!
Dun dun dun! Oh my, and here. This is adorable. He's so adorable, guys. I want to take this out. Huh? He's already thinking now. We got that wristband. We got that wristband. We got that wristband, my puppy. We got that wristband.
Let's take a look at the collector's guide there.
Alright.
Okay. Let's see her name first. Okay. Wanna see her hair?
Okay. What? This is a bowl.
Her name is Whirly Whirly Pony Doo from the Celeste.
Celeste?
Yeah. Can you see her?
This is what she looks like, guys.
Wow.
And I can't believe that I had this one. This is so adorable, and this hair is so curly. Like, very deep, guys. And he has this one.
Oh.
Ah!
It has a surprise.
Okay. Mommy, I like rainbow now.
That's alright. We can fix her bow. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god!
Dun dun dun!
It's a purple.
It's a purple black
Hairdooz.
and it has blue so silly. And I just so believe this one, guys.
Yeah.
We in picture.
This is the brush.
Oh my gosh.
This is so cute, and the smell is so
What,
nice.
can you smell here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! It smells like flowers.
Yeah. And she got a pretty sandals with a bow.
Yeah, like big sandals, guys.
Yeah, and her dress is so sparkly.
Yeah, I don't have this girl. I don't have this Hairdooz, guys. And it's so pretty.
Yes.
Let's open other one here. Ah! That's one.
Okay.
And let's open this one.
This one. Let's open this one.
I don't know what Hairdooz I'm gonna get this one, guys. So let's open it right now. I'm
Okay.
so excited. Oh my gosh. Let's open it, guys. I know what I'm gonna get. So maybe we should start.
Yes.
Necessary Hairdooz. I didn't get a rare one, Mama. Let's see we got a rare one.
Okay.
Let's see we got this rare one, Mommy.
Okay.
Let's see we got a rare one, Mommy.
We're looking for the rare one.
We're looking for a rare one, guys.
Okay. Let's cut it now. Okay, you hold and then cut, okay?
cut my fingers, mommy.
I won't cut you.
Why? Don't cut me.
Okay, wait.
Guys, ano ito?
Okay. Yay! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! He has a headphone? He has a headphone, guys. Oh. Let's take him out.
You take her out now. Let's see her. What is that?
This. Oh,
A pink?
okay.
Pink chair?
It's like totally one. Mommy, tingnan mo. Mommy, hindi ba ito assassin ang color?
We will see.
No, Mommy, what mong didip her in water?
Her skirt is so pretty. And she smells so nice. Wait, I'm gonna check her on this collector skirt. Wow! Her name is Star.
It's Star, guys?
Yeah.
And guys, we got Star in color.
Yes. A moon and a star.
A moon and a star.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy I got them.
Yeah, a moon and a
Guys,
star.
let's open this blind bank up.
Okay.
And where to open it? And, oh!
They get the same hairbrush.
A twinsies.
Yes.
Look, guys, a twinsy hairbrush. I'm so happy I got twinsy hairbrush. And let's open a Hairdooz already, guys. I wanted a Hairdooz already. Let's open. Oh, he has a little skirt. Oh my god, guys, he has cowboy boots.
Yeah.
And he's kind of sick.
Ah, okay.
He's kind of sick. Okay. Sit me.
They're so pretty.
They're so pretty.
They're like sisters.
Yeah, we are.
They have a matching outfit, matching color.
Yeah, much color.
And their hair is blonde with pink. Ah! They're sisters.
Yeah.
The star and moon.
Star and moon. Here's star and there's moon.
Yes.
Look, guys. Here's
They're pretty.
pretty. Let's open a Hairdooz now.
Okay.
Open Hairdooz.
Let's open this. And this.
And this.
And
And
this. You count.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Shopkins! I don't know.
Yan. Okay. Now.
It's first time I'm opening Shopkins. Oh my god. Get out. Get out. Okay, I'm dirty. Dirty, guys. Super dirty. Oh, a blind one. A blind one. Here is a blind one. Here it is. So, Mommy, can you set up collector's guide?
Sure.
Wait. What is this? Mommy, we need some scissors.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! I got a roller skate.
A roller skate. Where is the roller skate?
I got a superstar roller skate, guys. Let's open this one.
Roller skate? Where is the roller skate?
Okay, let's open this one.
Oh, Roller Kate.
Roller skate.
Yeah, that's her name.
Roller-
Roller Kate.
I got roller skate, guys. Oh my gosh. And this one. And this one. Okay. Okay.
What is that? Let me see.
This food. What is this food called?
Waffle?
Waffle? A waffle?
Waffle?
Waffle? Okay.
Asan siya?
Find mo.
Ito. Cream taco.
Cream taco?
Tia.
Yeah.
Ice cream taco.
Ice cream taco.
Yeah.
Look guys, our friends. Our friends. Look guys. Look. Look guys. And look about a window. So, now.
Okay.
And go. Okay guys, I got this. I will read that. This is only the one part. Where does this happen?
Good.
Okay. Let's open this baby. I don't know what it is. A bread stick?
Let me see.
And it's so funny.
It's so funny.
Yeah. What is this, guys?
What is his name?
Find him. Find him. Find him.
Wait.
What's this? What's this, guys?
What is that?
Dot 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 dot.
Sino yan?
Dot 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 dot.
It's so funny.
Breadstick to, Mama. Breadstick. Alam ko na breadstick to.
Really? Breadstick yan?
Opo.
Okay.
Nagpunta tayo sa Paris sa breadstick to.
Okay.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Okay. World vacation.
Well, vacation.
Babette Baguette. That's her name.
Yung ito?
No.
No.
The bread.
A bread?
Yeah.
Ahalo mo na siya?
Yeah, anak.
Asan siya?
Here.
Oh. Mami, siya to?
Yeah. Babette Baguette. That's her name. And the
Mommy.
other one is... Asan siya? World vacation. From the world vacations. Hans Accordion. That's his name. Or that's her name. Hans Accordion.
Hey, a roommate.
Yes.
Stop balling.
You take this off.
Okay. Stop balling, you two guys.
Mm.
Are you silly?
Mm.
Okay, Mommy, wait.
Okay.
We have to go then. Oh, a biscuit. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, hold on.
Okay. Yan. Okay.
Mommy, red.
The pink one is a world vacation series. And the other one is a vacation series too. UK holiday, American vacay.
American.
Yeah. Let's open the next one.
Okay. I got this. I love this. I love Hopkins, guys. Hopkins. And Hopkins are my favorite. Ooh, Vine Bikes, my favorite. Vine Bikes, my favorite. Ooh. I got Vine Bikes at once, guys. Vine Bikes and a collector's item. I will need this at first. That's not even bread. Okay. This is a bread I like. Oh. Here I can blind bank, guys. Let's open I can blind bank. Oh. Okay, let's open this first, guys. Where's this one? Oh. Okay. Okay. How was this? Hat? What? A hat. Wait, this is a hat.
Bianca Boater Hat. That's her name.
Oh, I was right, Mommy. It was a hat.
Yeah.
Okay. Now. Okay. Okay. Let's open this one. Oh, look, guys.
Let me see her.
This is an Eiffel Tower. This is an Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Guys, this is so. I wanted this one, Mommy. It's clarification.
Really?
Yeah, clarification. Hopkins.
That's Ella Tower Cake.
Our tower cake.
Yeah.
It was a cake,
Yeah.
and we had all and stuff, guys. I get. This is a bread. This is. I know what is this. So, and this is a roller cake, and this is a waffle. And this a hat, and this a Paris cake, and I love them, guys. This is so cute, and I hope you enjoy. I love you, guys. Subscribe, bell buttons, and thumbs up, and I love you guys.